Good afternoon to all the students. Today we will start from question number 5th. As you know, yesterday we have completed first 4 questions of exercise 3.1. Fifth question is players are given A, B, C. A player, B player and C player, and there are 4 games, game 1, game 2, game 3, game 4, and the scores are given of these 3 players in 4 games. Okay, first question, find the mean to determine A's average number of points score per second. It means you have to find the value, you have to find the mean of A player. Okay, mean of A player. A player has played 4 games. First game 14, he scored 14, then 16, then 10 and then 10. We will add all these numbers and we will divide by 4 because he played 4 games. So the mean value is 12.5. Second part is to find the mean number of points per game for C. It means you have to find the C's mean. We will divide the, अगर मुझे C का मीन निकालना है तो मुझे C का मीन निकालने के लिए 3 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा या किससे डिवाइड या 4 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. स्टूडेंट्स लुक एट द क्वेश्चन. बिकॉज C player has played 3 games only, do not play third game, so we will if we want to find the mean of C player, so we have to divide by 3 because he played 3 games. Okay, next third part is B's mean. You have to find the player B's mean. It means sum of observations upon total number of observations. B के point है 0, 8, 6 and 4. We will add all these numbers and divide by 4 because he has played 4 games. 18 by 4, that is 4.5. Fourth question is you have to find C's mean. C player का mean निकालना है. It means I will add 8 plus 11 plus 13 upon 3 because he has played 3 games, so I will divide by 3 and I am going to take 3 numbers also. This is 32 by 3 is equal to 10.6. Now last question is which player has the best performance, player A, player B or player C. Look at the answer. Player A has scored 12.5 average marks, average score 12.5, B's average score 4.5 and C's average score 10.6. So the best performer of this game is player A. We can say that A is the best performer. Now sixth question is the marks out of 100 of the students in a science test are given below. These are the marks out of 100 in a science test. You have to find the highest marks. Students, the highest marks is 95 and the lowest marks is 39 because we have to find the range, so we will use the formula highest marks, highest observation minus lowest observation. 95 minus 39, 56 is answer. Now in next part you have to find mean. The formula of mean is sum of observations upon total number of observations. Sum of observation means you have to add all these numbers which are given in your book. And how many are these? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So there are 10 observation, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I will divide by 10. 730 is the sum of these 10 observations. 730 upon 10, answer will be 73. 10 will be cut by 10. Question number 7 is the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows. एडमिशन्स हैं हर साल कितने हुए, 6 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ईयर्स के एडमिशन्स दिए हुए हैं, ये सब गिवन है. यू हैव टू फाइंड मीन means sum of all observations upon total number of observations. You have to add all these numbers and upon how many numbers are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I will write here 6, then I will add all these numbers. The answer will be 12,348 and I will divide by 6. The answer is 2058. मतलब mean value of all these 6 years is 2058. Okay. In 8th question, the rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of a certain week. days rainfall, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and this is given how much millimeter is rainfall. Range, you have to find. First question is range. Range means highest rainfall, highest observation minus lowest observation. Highest observation is 20.5 and lowest observation is 0.0. It means 20.5 minus 0.0, answer is 20.5 millimeter. Next, mean. Mean, the formula of mean is sum of all observations upon total number of observations. Sum of all observation means we will add all these numbers given in your book and divide by how many numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I will divide by 7, and after summation I will get 41.3 and I will divide by 7. The answer will be 5.9 millimeter. It means in that week the average mean of rainfall is 5.9 millimeter. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, थर्ड पार्ट, 5 days how many days are less than the average rainfall. ये एवरेज रेनफॉल से कितने दिन कम रेनफॉल हुई, इस एवरेज रेनफॉल से कितने दिन कम रेनफॉल हुई, दैट इज़ 5 days. मंडे, वेंसडे, थर्सडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे, ये 5 दिन ऐसे थे जब इस 5.9 मिलीमीटर से कम रेनफॉल हुई. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.